Are you looking for a company to remodel or renovate your bathroom, but don't know where to start? No worries. Forte Construction and Design can help. Forte Construction and Design does any type of bathroom remodeling you need, to include master bathrooms, hallway bathrooms, main bathrooms, basement bathrooms, and even powder rooms. Forte Construction and Design manages the project from start to finish and covers all aspects of the project. With Forte Construction and Design, there is no dealing with multiple companies or crews and no need to go anywhere else for any part of the project, including painting, flooring, plumbing work, and electrical work. Forte Construction and Design does it all. No job is too big or too small. Whatever you imagine as your dream bathroom, Forte Construction and Design can make your dream come true. Call us today at 540-681-1846 to schedule for your free estimate.
To learn more, visit us at forteconstructiondesign.com.